Hello again. We received a package from this customer that we've been working for him for like about 5 years now, making these boards. Yeah, these boards is about like, I think is for the tattoos machine, and he designed it, and this is like an upgrade board. This is a version board. You can see no components in it. All the components are here. Yeah, once a while, like every month and a half, 2 months, he sent like about 20 board, and we need to put the components in them. This 20 board, it will take me about like 8 hours. So 20 board, 8 hours, $25 a board. So let's do it. Put the paste in the pads. Yeah, manually each pad. Let's go on the microscope and we'll see. So until we put the paste in all the pads. So except the holes and this connector here. Yeah, my wife helping me with this is putting the component. Yeah, manually. You don't remember?
Looking for R4. See, 2, 3. Oh no, 4. What was it? Right here. R4. R4.
And now we have the resistors. You can see these resistors. And we put the other component. Yeah, I finished about 10 boards. Gonna do it 10 now and 10 later because there is a lot of work waiting. And we are using this one like to preheat, and this one here to finish the soldering. Yeah, master component now is melted. So the preheat, it make like the soldering quick. So when we put the board here, it's not gonna take a long time to resolder again. So with a little adjustment for this connector. Yeah, this IC sometimes may need a little solder. Yeah, a little adjustment. Yeah, I'm still going to solder this big connector manually. can watch it on the microscope too. We check the connector to be sure is in the right place. Yep, all the pads are good. This one, sometimes the component with melting it may move. Yep, that's all is neat. So we can use the solder iron to remove that bridge, solder bridge right here. Yeah, this is the board after we put the component, and my son is putting this connector. and I resolder them. So this is all resoldered, and we need to put the buzzer here, one component, and it should be good. That's okay. That's good enough. Alright, this is the pile of the board that we done. You can see all the components on it. And this is with all the connectors and everything in them. Yeah, pile of the board. So that's all for this video, and see you again.